Everyone, I'm glad to see you all back. This tutorial is going to be a brown glitter smoky eye tutorial. My daughter calls it the Foxy brown tutorial. And I'm using the Anastasia, the dip brow pomade, and the color chocolate. So I'm lining up my brows, making them sharp, making them even, so they could look good how you like them. I should have started off with my TooFaced 24-hour insurance shadow primer. That's what I'm doing now. I should have started that from the beginning, but better late than never. So as you can see here, I'm going in now with my concealers, the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Pure Beige. As you see that I started a little bit below my brow line just in case I messed up. So I put the bulk of the product lower on my eyelid and I worked my way up so I could get a nice, clean, sharp line with a steady hand. So you just put the concealer all over your lid as I'm doing here and set it with a powder concealer. The powder concealer that I used was from Revlon in the color Banana. Now I went into the crayon case, the box of crayons eyeshadow palette. I went in with the color brown. That's the darkest brown they have in the palette. I put that all over both eyelids. I packed it on because you really wanted to show and shine with the brown glitter as well. With a smaller fluffy brush, I went into the same eyeshadow palette with the color yellow. I just put a little bit on the brush. I didn't want it to be too heavy, a too heavy yellow, but I wanted enough so it'd be, you could see the blend from the brown to the yellow. So you dip it in just a little bit, tap off any excess, and start to blend. But you always got to remember that when you blend, sometimes your base shadow, which is my brown, would sometimes fade. So you have to go back in. Now I'm using my new favorite mascara from Milk. It's called the Kush mascara. I got this from Sephora. So that's my new favorite mascara right now. Now I'm going in with the fine glitter from Baddie Cosmetics. They're on Instagram. All the products that I'm using, of course, will be in the description box. I'm going to give you their IG tags and the website so you can purchase them when you like. With the glue that I used, the adhesive, it was from Envy, the Stronghold. I like the wand. It's much neater, easier for me to use and finagle. The lashes that I'm using are from Kiss, from the Naked Drama collection in the style Tulle. I have very dry skin, so I use the NYX Hydro Touch oil on my face. And just to add another little bit of shine and glitter, I use the MAC Prep and Prime Fix in the color Goldie. I sprayed that all over my face just so it could be a nice little shine. The foundation I'm using for this video is the Maybelline Dream Urban Cover in the color 330 Toffee. It's just like a simple tinted moisturizer. It's a little thick, which I like for the winter, and I just put it all over. The concealer that I'm using is from Revlon and the color C11 in the Revlon concealer. Putting that under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, chin, and buffing it out with a hard fluffy brush. Just buffing, making it even, getting rid of any harsh lines that you might see with the concealer. Now I'm going in with the bronzer from the ButterBronzer in the color Bronzer, number 6676. Just putting that over my jaw, my jawline, my cheeks, around my forehead, my hairline. Just for a little tinted color, I'm using the NYX SweetCheek in the color So Taupe. The highlighter is from the Anastasia Glow Kit. I'm using the color Amber Gold on my cheeks. Amber Gold is like a reddish iridescent color. For the bridge of my nose in the same palette, I'm using the color Snow. For the eyeliner, I did take a brown eyeliner from any simple drugstore. This is just a chocolatey eyeliner in the color Choco. Putting that on my eyelids, my under eye. As you can see, I'm using the brush to hold open my eye just so I won't get any fingerprints in the concealer that I'm using until it dries. Again, with the mascara on the bottom lashes, my new favorite, Milk Kush mascara. Putting that all over the bottom lashes just to extend them and make them look a little thicker. This little tool that I got from Ipsy, it's from The Benefit. It's just a little mini one that I got from Ipsy. It helps define the brows and make them sleek. Hope you like the finished look. If you do, positive comments only. Hit the like button as well as the subscribe button. I hope you guys like it. Bye.